13.25. A source contains 2 phosphorus radionuclides, 15p33, half-life that is 14.3 days, and 15p33, half-life that is 25.3 days. Initially, 10% of the decay that is from 15p33. And now how long? One must wait until 90% do so. Okay, 132 લઈ લેજો આમાં હા. So 15p32, this first one. અહીંયા printing mistake છે. So half-life that is 14.3 days. 15p33, half-life capital T dash that is 25.3 days. Okay. Now initially 10% decay that came from 15p33. So we can write now, initially 90% of the mixture is p32 and 10% of the mixture is p33. Okay. Now suppose at time t 10% is of p32 and 90% is of p33. After time t this happens. Okay. Now let x equal to total undecayed mass initially, and then after y that is total undecayed mass finally. So initially number of p32, તો જુઓ ઇનિશિયલી અહીંયા આપણે મિક્સચરમાં p32 નું એબન્ડન્સ 90% છે, તો 0.9 into x, that is the initial number of p32, and number of p33, so initially p33 that is only 10%, so total mixture nu 0.1 into x a number of p33 hoy. Then finally number of p32 that becomes 10%, so 0.1 y, and p33 that becomes 90%, so number of p33 that is 0.9 y. Now for p32 and p33 we can use the equation n upon n0 that is equal to half into t upon capital T. Similarly for 33 also n upon n0 equal to half into t upon t dash. Now for 32 n that is final 0.1 y upon 0.9 x initial, that is equal to half into t upon capital T. Similarly here for 33 final that is 0.9 y, initial that is 0.1 x, that is equal to half into t upon t dash. So now here take the ratio of these two. This one is 1 by 9 y by x, that is this one, and this is 9 by 1 y by x equal to 1 by 2 t dash. So 1 upon 81 that is half raised to t upon capital T minus t upon t dash. So resultantly we get 1 upon 81 that is half raised to t upon capital T minus t upon capital T dash. Now take log on both the side, and then after take small t common, substitute the value of capital T and capital T dash, and then solve this equation. You will get the time after which this happens. Clear to all of you?